All right, so we are at Kühling&Kühling again. I interviewed you guys last year already about your, what is now called the VP75, a massive Delta 3D printer. What is this machine? What is it all about?
It's our production workhouse for actual additive manufacturing. Besides the typical rapid prototyping, this is made for production purpose.
All right, and it is clearly a professional machine. So you have a fully enclosed and heated build space. You have your LCD. You have a really nice bed. What was your goal with this machine?
The main goal, like all of our previous machines, was to control the full production process of 3D printing by getting all the temperatures stable and temperature controlled. We have a heated build environment of up to 80 degrees inside to be capable of printing polycarbonates in huge pieces and ABS as well. We have added actively heated build table, of course, up to 150 degrees, all in a Delta configuration to be really fast and precise, and to incorporate some nifty leveling and sensing solutions as well.
Yeah, so you do have auto leveling in here, which some people say it's kind of not the best thing to do, but are you seeing any downsides to that?
Downsides to auto leveling?
Yeah.
Not at all. The main reason we are using auto leveling in the system is that we are able to print any type of print surface material into the machine, which can differ in size and thickness actually. So we just absolutely automatically calibrate the print surface before each print to be just maintenance free and calibration free in this.
Yeah. And it's just perfect every single time basically. Another cool thing on this machine is the way the print bed works. So this is actually a vacuum table. Why did you go for that sort of a complex approach?
The main reason is that starting from a certain size of build surface, you need a way to really reliably attach the print surface to the heated platform on the full surface. And there's just so many centimeters to go by clamping it on the outer perimeter. If you want to adhere anything without gluing and making it not detachable, vacuum tables are quite a nice solution used in the industry already in many kinds. But this enables us to quickly exchange different types of surface materials for different model materials easily.
You also have an LCD on here. Does that do any fancy Wi-Fi, cloud-based, whatever processing for the people?
In the first place, it's just the machine interface, like a really usable interface for controlling, starting, stopping print jobs, doing setup tasks and stuff. But other than that, it's an enclosed machine that is working via Ethernet connection. No Wi-Fi, because the machine is sitting in corporate environments very often. So it's just a really usable machine interface.
So that the goal is simplicity and reliability, I guess, instead of doing everything plus the kitchen sink on this one. And you do have a strong focus on being a solidly built machine. You're using ball screws, you're using proper linear guides. But some people, after I posted the photo on Twitter, were like, "Hey, your Delta arms look kind of flimsy and your tool head looks kind of large." Is that an issue from an engineering perspective?
From the engineering perspective, it's just a matter of solid design and good layout of all components. And print head weight or tool head weights are a concern, but if they are respected very well, there's no reason to not do it that way.
Okay, and your tool head is kind of special. We have this big textile tube coming down. This thing is actually air-cooled, right?
Indeed, yes. We have an air-cooled print head system, just to keep up with the environmental temperatures inside. Other than that, we have all other drive components like motors and stuff and electronics outside of the environment to be able to keep it up to 80 degrees. All right,
so it sounds pretty spectacular, but I have a feeling that the typical YouTube viewer is not going to be able to purchase one or is not in the market for this. So who are you going for? How much is it? And I guess you can buy it from you guys directly, right?
Yes, indeed. We are doing direct sales for fully Europe coverage. We're doing all our service offerings for Europe as well, like on-site service and maintenance stuff.
And that is included with the printer?
It is included in the first 12 months with the machine, and it's going for 39,000 euros as it is. And there are several additional service contracts that are of interest for business use, of course, available.
So if you're interested in that, check them out. Thanks for your time, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Welcome.
Besser. Aufgezeichnet. Shit.